We are introduction about AutoSky ADC-101 dashcam front and rear. We will introduce the features and brief details, what's features including. To make a decision before buy order, following, we will mention overviews AutoSky ADC-101 dashcam front and rear. And outstanding features of AutoSky ADC-101 dashcam front and rear. This sleek and compact dashcam won't obscure your view. It comes with wide-angle 1080p front camera and a 720p HD waterproof rear camera that captures your back. Meanwhile, the 3-inch IPS display make video recording more vivid, colorful, and clear. In order to allow you to use the dashcam as quickly as possible, we provide a 32 GB memory card. You do not need to buy this card additionally. It is plug and play, which is very convenient. The mount is a suction cup which allows flexible placement anywhere in the windshield. The loop recording function means the newly recorded video will overwrite the oldest video when the memory card is full. With the built-in G sensor, the video will be automatically locked and saved without being overwritten when the car is hit, or you can lock the video manually by pressing a button. We have added a trim bar and cable clips to help you install the dashcam as easy as possible. No experience is needed to install. In addition to the basic functions, the dashcam has more features like motion detection, voice recording, and photo function, and so many more. US company based in Houston with professional support who are ready to help you at every step of the way. Let us watch your front and back with our new dashcam. We are available 24/7 for any help. A dashcam can provide an extra layer of security for your vehicle. It can deter potential thieves and vandals and can also help you to identify anyone who might have damaged your vehicle. If you hesitate or have questions, we recommend that you click the link in the YouTube details to see all the detail before actually ordering. If you think our channel is useful for you, you can subscribe and press the bell and select all to receive instant notifications for all future uploads.